Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Even, that's right, DIOLV Las Vegas. Woo! DIOLV Las Vegas. If you're a fan of this channel, you know this is the Elvis mask that we tested for kids, or that we tested for adults, and this is the one for kids. That's right, this is what Elvis would wear if he was a child. I'm probably not pronouncing the name right here. Probably pronouncing it wrong. It's probably not DIOLV Las Vegas. Let's open this up. I like the over wrap. That's nice. And then you can open there. Sure, why not? YOLO. It's the Elvis mask. We will open there, Elvis. Thank you very much. Dude, I can't. That did not work out. I'm not happy about that. All right. Completely sealed, which is great. Love that. This is exactly like the DIOLV Las Vegas mask. I remember it. Okay, it's this way. Let's get it in the clamper and see. Now, if you were with us last time, we'll put a link to that old video. You'll notice that it did 98%. Spoiler alert. Clamp it down. It's a good clamp. Let it rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. You want to find out what we're doing, check out that link. We're doing the ASTM surgical mask. That's the American Standard Surgical Mask Test to see if it protects you. And remember, last time the adult mask did 98%, so we'll see what this one does. Weird things going on here. Let's check this out. Check out the listing. DIOLV Las Vegas kids mask, face mask, children's youth, 3-layer small face mask for small teen or woman. Pick a lane, guys. Pick a lane. No claims on the listing. No claims on the box. Odorless. That's a claim. We shall see about that. Let's see if this mask is going to go on. Let's put it on. DIOLV Las Vegas. I mean, yeah, like, oh, wow. That, like, I gave it such a good hit, and then it kind of fell apart, to be honest. Let me see here. Oh yeah, that is for children for sure. Oh yeah, I look exactly like a pediatric Elvis in this mask, so that works. This smells like the last DIOLV Las Vegas, which I would call this the inside of a vinyl Elvis suit, right? But it's not super strong. It's not the worst. It's not the best. And like if it's a kid's mask, kids are going to do this, you know. Oh, look at that. Oh, actually, so sometimes like when you pull that way, it actually is a little bit, you know. Now I have big ears though, so I could be breaking it. I could be already at the, but you know, like, oh wow, that just pops right off. Sometimes it's stronger when you pull this way than when you're pulling on the face. I think for a kid, they're going to pull that off. So it's probably, maybe a small teen, a small woman, as they claimed, that you'd be fine. But anyway, but does any of that matter if it doesn't protect you? Let's check it out. Finally, we're there. We're finally at your favorite part. Actually, I don't know what your favorite part is. 89.766. 89.766. So that is failing any American standard. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I would choose a different mask for me, personally, for kids. I'm going to put a link to all of the masks that we've tested, all the kids' masks. There are better masks out there, even for the same price point. So I'd probably stick to those. Sorry, Elvis. May you rest in peace. Thank you so much for watching. We are running a contest right now. We're not asking for likes and subscribes, although I will take them. I will. Thank you. Thank you very much. But we are doing a contest where if you see this video in the first 24 hours, we're going to pick one person at random who writes a comment. And we're going to give you something special. Check out details for that. And I will catch you on the next test, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m. See you then.